Wagwan people, and welcome back to another video on PoppyShowJA.
So guys, today we will be, well not we, them.
We will be
critiquing my old pictures.
His old pics.
Cause we're going with a bag of thing, pan lataya thing, and them get bad mind, them get corrupt.
And you guys been asking for this video. So I'm gonna need y'all's help as well. So make sure you drop some comments down below. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this because I am very curious to see some of these pics. I probably have seen one or two, but the majority he asked his dad to send to him a few days ago. So
straight.
let's check them out.
Well, I tell them so my picture them not that bad, it's not gonna be as crazy as hers, you know what I mean? So just sit back and watch.
Mine wasn't crazy, no, you were just acting crazy.
So the first picture is this one, right? So another picture I was actually in second form in high school. You know what I mean? Man out and bad. Clean. You know what I mean?
Dad.
Malik, what laugh in her ass, then?
What do you think, Ige?
Ugly.
Ugly,
That's
right?
ugly?
Yeah, and look how that stand up like him. Stand up and push up one hip and him mug up on him collarbone and like you catch water in it.
Okay.
Eh? What is that? What did you say?
I just say, no, so it's a girl vibe?
Yes, Ige. A girl vibe I go on this song.
No, man, no girl vibe thing, man. A second form, I don't know, man, the rookie same way, but...
Watch your collarbone them down, Boozy. I went in and talk say you skinny. Look on that.
Yeah, me never say me fat.
No, so you don't cuss me or me did mug and whatever.
Cause you're a girl if you want to weight pan them, man. You know what I mean? Boobsy, what you think about that?
I'm like skinny though.
But me sharp, innit?
How?
Wow.
I'm standing them and I like that girl vibe they like what IJ says still.
Straight.
Now I feel that. But anyways, when I stand here, they're rookie in the thing still and I really get the full 100 yet and whatever. Well, if me under man, let me hug you up. Chop.
Alright, next picture.
Alright, we can move on to the
next picture and comment, why is mom touching my hand?
Straight.
That doesn't even look like the same person.
I know, right? It don't look like him, right?
Yeah.
It looks like a young alien.
What? Oh yeah.
Don't
Young
it?
alien.
Yeah.
Like a young alien right there.
Oh, you see,
Them
yes.
time I don't even know how I go with them time, it's right. I think them time I'm about 18, 19. Yeah.
Oh, that's when you first
Well,
started to
you were talking about saying you wouldn't call to me. You couldn't call to me them time they either. No, sir.
Sure, no. Yo, that one the kind of stuff.
The one that kind of look like a little young alien still.
And
Maybe
it-
young alien, what alien or what kind of
Wait,
alien?
that's
He does
just
look like he's a young alien, you know, old yet. He's a young
me a old
alien,
alien,
look
no?
like a little alien, but
I
he's
have
young.
one question.
What's your
Yeah.
It's
question?
not just a young alien, it's a young ugly alien.
Ooh, yes, IJ, exactly. A young, ugly alien.
No. Boobsy, talk to you.
About what?
The one that look decent, innit?
Just rate it or something.
I mean, you look a lot different.
Wow. But now?
Yeah?
Just say you look like a young, ugly alien.
Me look like Malik this one. Me look like Malik.
No, Malina look like a young, ugly alien. No.
Alright, next picture.
I don't know.
Oh no! Oh hell no! No! What the? What's that? No man, Paul look like he sent you a wrong picture.
This doesn't even look like me. I wonder if I really mean this.
Dad!
Oh my god, I just can't even look. Who is that?
Malik, the one that don't look good. Yo. But at least my well shave up still.
That's
Yo.
like an ugly,
See, a long time I beat my 2 years in
young,
them. You see?
alien.
And them time I beat
Yeah, but no, honey.
No.
No.
A passport picture, you know, you have to
No,
deal with the
no,
thing
no,
like a police, you know what I mean?
What's that?
Clean shave and beer things.
Yeah, you
Dad,
clean
are you
shaved, yes,
kidding?
but
Dad, you look like a based off alien.
Wow.
so that was the first time you started shaving off your head or what?
No, man.
You don't
this,
even look like you though.
them time, man.
Guys want to think, cause that picture really don't look like him.
Wait, okay, first of all, that's gonna give me nightmares. I'm never gonna.
Oh
look
wow,
at
IJ can't even look at that one. Look at move past because it really, yeah, IJ can't even look.
Yo, the heat real.
Sorry, IJ, I'm so sorry.
Alright, that one.
Alright, look on that one now, IJ.
Oh,
Yeah, that one that look decent, innit?
he looks kind of normal.
Yeah.
That's alright.
No, I don't like that either.
What you mean? Chest ear, show and beer things?
Chest here and choker. Where do we choker, yeah, girl? Only girl wear choker, my youth.
I'm not choker. What do you mean
Oh, for
choker?
choker,
I
yeah,
just
man.
like with
Are you
choker.
mad choker, yeah, barrel?
No, just a little accessory.
A choker, though? No,
Yeah,
man, a
it's a-
girl vibe.
yeah,
A
it's
girl
a hate
vibe.
for the
That,
general.
no, girl vibe. That choker.
I stand up like
I'm
girl.
brown.
Choker like
What do you
girl.
call them something? Beanie.
Yeah. Straight beanie.
I don't know.
You see me?
So,
What's wrong with the beanie?
Yeah, what's wrong with the beanie?
I don't know. Wait, what's a beanie?
The thing on my head.
Oh,
me not like that at all.
well,
Hate the man
You look,
on the
It's
you
mouth.
look
not that
angry there,
bad.
so you look.
it's not that bad.
Thank
look
you,
like
IJ.
life did hard for you then time.
Oopsie, does that look bad?
No.
Thank you. Mom just a
Me
hate.
not like that.
Hate, she a hate.
Me not like it.
But,
Alright.
but if I rate that to the last picture, yeah.
Which one looks better?
Obviously this one, cause that last one you looked like a straight up alien.
Oh, okay. Alright, next picture.
I'm still not like it.
Alright.
Now you look like a robber, basically.
A robber?
He looks like a thief, H.
Yeah.
Yo,
Oh,
cool,
wow.
but cool. Them time man live a foreign. You see me, I say?
So you did in England?
England, this, you see me? And time freezing and puffer jacket and beer things. Nothing wrong with this.
That's what one's kind of cute.
Whoopsie,
What do
that-
you think, Whoopsie?
That looks a little bit more like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's,
Yeah,
AJ,
yeah,
what
you
look
could have
like?
called to me then time, the babes.
No, I don't want to call to you.
Oh, you could
rate
have called to me
that,
then
If
time.
I can't call to you, I look like young alien. If I call to you, I look like
I
old
would
alien.
rate that
Out,
6.
a 6 out of 10?
Yeah, I would rate that
Oh,
a
please.
7.
Seriously?
Whoopsie, how much did I rate that one?
7.
7?
What?
Alright, I'll take a
You did
7.
alright, this so.
Straight.
What the answer if you call to me?
Oh, please do not make this one an alien.
Alright, next one. Boom! General, Manchester United and beer things. Beanie a match, shoes a match, everything a match.
Another beanie again. You buy them in a pack? You buy them by dozen or what? Wholesale?
Now I truck turn over my gate.
Oh, wow, it looks so. No,
That's-
so.
A beanie that was the place.
Well, it may look too
I
bad
don't
as a
know if
still.
almost all of these are gonna be that ugly.
This
No,
one
that
ugly
one,
too?
that one alright, Age. I think that one is okay.
This
That one they
ugly.
can go on.
Them tell me about like, say about 21.
Who took these?
Why I don't know no brother?
Maybe some ex-girlfriend of his.
No man, I don't want room that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah man.
That has an ex-girlfriend?
No.
He better not have no ex-girlfriend.
I think I saw him with one.
What?
What?
Well, go on. Tell me more, IJ. Tell me more.
Actually, you're
Wait,
talented.
no, it wasn't it because he's already an adult, so actually it was just an ex-wife. That's what he had.
So how that one you look?
That one, that alright. I'm gonna give a 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
8.
8, thank you.
8 out of 10.
What was your straight 10 this? Talk true.
Oh, please do not pick.
Nah, not a 10. Not a 10.
So what
What do
is
you rate
it?
it as?
11.
No.
What,
An
what?
8, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
You just sound like a mommy echo.
Mom said 7.5.
Oh, she did?
There you go.
Oh. Alright.
Huh.
Alright, next.
Why?
That one looks like you.
Your
Like,
face looks like you're freaked
Them
out.
time,
or
them time
something.
I when I work at studio, man, like
Yeah,
studio
your
vibes.
face looks like you're freaked out.
I'm freaked out.
Yeah, why does it look like that?
I guess it's alright.
No, just a look on there.
I rate you a 6 out of that.
I want this look alright,
it
man.
went
Them
down?
time-
6.5.
Yeah.
I rate him a 6 out of that one.
Wow.
6.5.
Although it look like you put on a little bit of weight.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, you're still slim, but look like you
That look like me now.
just start workout or something. No, no.
Workout. Oh, my man thick from my barn, man.
Thick where?
I don't feel any thickness in this body.
AJ, you're such a hater. Alright, next picture.
Eh.
General, I know.
It looks like you just
Best
got
man of my friend wedding.
that.
Like a real boss. AJ, look
Like
at
a
that.
real
It
Jenna
looked
Jenna
like
this
you
is still.
just got married to mom.
No, I was
that
at
was
my
before.
friend's wedding.
That one looks nice. You look like a Jenna Jenna this.
Yeah, man.
Don't Boobsy?
Boss,
Yeah.
right, AJ?
If him call to me, would I definitely answer Boobsy.
If I can't call to you, I'm ugly. I can't call to you, I'm ugly.
That's not that
Yeah,
bad.
that one's nice. I give you a
AJ, does that
9
look
and
like
a
that?
half.
Actually, I'm gonna give that
A
six.
10?
Why would I give you a 10?
But that looks good though.
No, just a 6.
6?
6?
Obviously.
Awesome.
Wow.
Your standards are so
AJ
high.
out.
AJ, I move like a real jacket.
Wait, from here it just looks like like the ears almost look like it's like stretched out. Just
His ears look stretched.
Bubsy, this look really good, right?
It looks good. I give you a 9 and a half for that
Straight,
one.
What? Actually,
No.
Yeah, no.
Look how big that pants. Oh my goodness. Like 3 people could hold another pants there. And another beanie. No man, honey.
Let me have beanie apart. Left hand the button never bust yet.
Red beanie, brown beanie, black beanie.
Yo, crazy beanie.
I don't know, arcade I buy. You buy pack, wholesale. No, you did skinny still, babes. Tall and skinny. No, I'm not really feel
Yeah.
that still.
at the end of the video, I'm gonna ask you and mom a question.
Okay. Malik, what do you think of that? My face still looks straight. Brown skin.
You look alright, but you're just too skinny, yo. Pure pants, me I see.
I know. Struggle real. AJ, you don't like that one either?
Probably just like a 5.
Chano.
So only me not understand. Oh yeah, cause me did skinny like you did fat.
No, but me never
You were
fat.
so skinny.
You don't want me for fat?
And then you're tall again, make it even worse.
No, man, look alright, man. Guys, you don't think that this look good? No, man, this alright,
Too
man.
maga, man.
No,
Too
man,
mad.
not too
feel
mad.
Look out something pan them,
Need
man.
have something for me now, you just couldn't see it. Alright, next one, guys. Boy, the struggle real pan the puppy.
No, sir.
What?
The one you name Young and the Chestless.
Okay, Dad,
Eh.
Dad,
Oh.
Young and
Whoopsie. Me say enough for me video, no. Him say me a Young and the Breastless. Enough for me video, no.
Dad,
No, this a Young and the Chestless.
What you say, AJ?
rating it
No chest. Young and the Chestless, IJ.
A 10?
10.
You
Boom.
rated a 10?
Just me, I say.
obviously.
IJ, come on, go get your
Superstar
sunglasses.
glasses and, you know what I
It
mean?
looks cool.
Yeah, look cool, right, Boobsy?
It's kind of cool.
Wow.
Young and the Chestless, that. No, sir.
Alright, next.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh,
That looks alright.
that's not even that bad.
That one is nice, isn't it, AJ?
Another 10.
Another 10. Boom, AJ. Oh, the dark too.
It's not
That don't
even
look good.
that
It's alright.
bad. Not even that bad.
Guys, you can't see the eat real, don't?
It kinda
And what's your
It
rate?
kinda look cute. I'm gonna rate that a 7.
What?
7.
Yeah.
And what's your rate?
Wow. 9.
Oh, well, that was actually close to 10.
Alright, cool.
Nothing
Next. Alright, one to that one, yeah.
Alright, so this is the final one.
Yeah, this are the last one, guys. And only give them some history on that one.
Okay, Dad.
AJ, listen to this, baby. Listen
You
to
know, honestly, guys, that picture was the first time we met. Yeah. And I ain't lying. Back then, I really thought he was cute and, you know, he was tall.
Okay,
But, honey, I didn't know he was that skinny.
His
like,
face-
seriously.
Only a wicked.
face-
Babes, you did have the face,
Hold
the
on.
height, yes, check. But you did maga, cause all the pants there, may I tell you say, you did a wash with another pants there. But you did cute still, me not lie. You don't go
That-
on. I'm say you did like half your
What's
beanie
up
them
with
and
the
thing and you
face?
well shaved up for come meet me and everything. So
seriously?
yes guys, that was the very first time we met in person.
I would love to say something.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, AJ.
Like, what's wrong with his face? I just don't get it.
Cause his face was so skinny, that's why it looks like something is
Wait,
wrong
I'm just
with
gonna
it.
cover his face and just, yeah, that's it.
Wow.
Boys, turn up.
I him never look that bad, man. Leave him alone.
You know that.
Him never look
Yo.
that bad.
Okay. Wait, is this the end of the video?
No, I'm just gonna tell the guys
Okay.
some things. Can't sister the eat real when she did a dead over me right just so I know she come go on like say. You know what I mean? But tell me what Uno think guys, you know what I mean? Cause Uno don't see how fear reaction go on with a bag of things. And now,
I was just being real.
you know what I mean?
What?
Oh yes, IJ.
I think this is probably gonna be one of the baddest rates ever. It's a 2.
This one is a 2?
You rate that one a 2?
Yeah.
Wow.
Straight.
Will you rate it as Malik?
Well, he got a different type of beanie on, at least.
I know, right?
Wait, that
How is that
Still
young?
young
I
though.
need something to say.
Okay, what you saying, IJ?
What age were you?
Dear? This was 2007.
Oh, so
2008.
so you were how old?
It was 2008.
No, January.
Yeah, about January
It was
2008.
in January.
Straight. So guys, wanna like that video?
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Wait,
I
Like
just
it?
kept
Wait,
it
this is
100. I
bad?
know you're gonna feel it because
No,
you
you're not
did
keeping it
whatever.
100.
But I kept it 100.
Lie. Yes, IJ.
This is the end?
Yeah. So guys, tell us what y'all think about this video. Crazy hating that go on. IJ, what you
No
gotta say?
hating over here.
What age were you two when you first got a wedding?
I was 29.
And mom was?
Why you want to give out all my information from this social media thing? Eh?
Just tell me.
We'll keep that for another
Yeah.
video.
Right.
Okay guys, so please like the video, leave us whole heap of comments. Sorry about that.
And let us know which office pictures were your favorite.
Straight, all of them. I know all of them are a favorite, but tell me which one you like the best. You know what I mean? And thumbs up the video, thumbs it up, share it out, make a bag of people see it. You understand me I say? And subscribe to the channel if you're new guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. As always, Poppy love you. Big up on yourself.
Big up on yourself.
We're out.
We're out. Peace.
And Zion.
Hiya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.